Welcome to how to use configuration sets in Remedyforce. Configuration sets are designed to import your request definitions from Sandbox to production. And such feature it's only available on production orgs. For Sandbox orgs, we recommend to look for Smart Sync feature on the official Remedyforce documentation. To start using configuration sets, first you will need to have a request definition working on your Sandbox environment. I have created for this demo the following request definition. As you can see, it has its own templates, services, categories, and other attributes. It also has a couple of input fields, but you may have as many as needed. And we are also setting a fulfillment task template to create a task upon the service request creation. Then, if we go to the self-service, it will look like this. So, once you have your Sandbox request definition ready, we need to log into production. We go to Remedyforce Administration tab, Content Management tile, and select Configuration Sets. Then we enter our admin Sandbox credentials and click Login. The org ID of our Sandbox will be displayed, and then we click on Proceed. A list of our Sandbox request definitions will appear. We select them and then we click Import. The time of the import will depend on the amount of data to be imported. We wait for a few minutes and then we will get the screen whether our input was successful or not. We click OK. And now let's take a look on our production. The request definition should be there. There it is. It has all of its attributes imported, templates, categories, and more. With this, we conclude the video on how to use configuration sets in Remedyforce. Thank you for watching.